Drink again. Let it relax, sink.
I have some pain in about like the middle to upper back.
Okay.
I hold a lot of tension there.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I've ever gotten massages, they tell me that my rhomboids are tense.
Okay.
So other than that, I haven't been seen by a chiropractor before, so this is my first time getting an adjustment.
Have you always had this pain? Has it been there for a long time? 1 year, 5 years?
It's been there since college, so maybe a little over 5 years. It's been on and off.
Okay.
Usually can get the pain rubbed out, but it comes back pretty quickly, maybe over a month or so.
All right. You've never been adjusted before. How do you feel about it? Nervous? Excited?
I am excited for it. Also nervous.
Okay.
Everybody is, I've seen that is usually nervous before getting adjusted, but they feel better after. So I'm optimistic about it.
Okay, very good. It starts to get a little bit warmer right side and then at the very top on the left. We'll check that again with the temp scan. Now keep your feet together. Now move your knees apart from each other. Good. Back together. Good. Again apart. Good. Dropping on the right, but not on the left here. So there is some restriction on the left and some tenderness on the right SI joint. So we should look at your gait too. Okay, looking at the back musculature here, we've got pretty even contraction, but there are definitely asymmetries here. So go ahead and stop. Okay, I'm going to look at your glute fibers now, so you're going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings, okay?
Okay.
All right, and I'm going to slide up to the bottom of the gluteal fold here. They look pretty even, maybe slightly lower on the right, but pretty even from the top. There you go. Good down. Right hip. Nice gentle breathing, Alice. Let your shoulders relax. Tender.
No,
Tender.
a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to use an instrument on your spine now to start loosening things up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nice gentle breathing. So let's practice one first, just so you can feel what it's like. You're going to take a deep breath in through your nose and then out through your mouth. I'm going to follow your breath down like this, and then at the end of your breath, we give a little push like that. Okay, nice and gentle breathing. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good. And out. Good. Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Okay.
We're going to go one segment down. Let's do that again. Deep breath in. And then just really let your back relax as you breathe out. Good. Good. This one up here. Good. Down. We're going to go one segment down. Let's do that again. Deep breath in. And then just really let your back relax as you breathe out. Good. Good. This one up here. Good. Down. Did you feel how that one was like a little smoother?
Yeah.
Because there wasn't as much resistance. Deep breath in, and then as you breathe out, let your shoulders relax. Okay, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, and out. And then let the shoulders sink in like this. Let's bring the hip down. Good, one more breath, soft in. And out. Good, sinking, sinking, good. Lean your back. Okay, good.
That was a good one.
All right, so this is how we check the neck. Good. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do here, Alice, is turn your head to the right. Okay, back to center. Now to the left. Back to center. Just like the other ones, we're following your breath. It's going to be nice and gentle. So I'm going to bring your head over to the side like this. You're doing fantastic, relaxing. All you have to do is let your head drop down into the table like that. Okay, I'm going to bring your head over to right about here. And then we're going to, right on top of this C1 here on the right side, we're going to bring this through a range of motion in that direction like that, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, following the breath, all you have to do is breathe. As you breathe out, just let your whole body, head, neck, shoulders, hips.
Same way as before. Breathe in, breathe out.
Correct. Good. In through your nose. And out. Good. Let it relax. Sink.
Oh my god. Crazy.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to bring it a little bit further over for the next one. 7, 6, 5, 4. We're going to go all the way at the bottom. Nice and gentle. Same thing. Do a soft breath this time.
Like, same as adjusting before? Okay.
Mm-hmm. In through your nose, out through your mouth. You can close your eyes. Good. Sinking in. Just silence.
It was good. It was just really solid. It's cool.
Relax. Doesn't want to go home. I'm going to do a range of motion in your ankles first since you have a complaint there. Let's just see how they're moving. Okay, I'm going to do an ankle adjustment. I'm going to pull the ankle in this direction, then we're going to pull like that, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, any pain when I do this? Any pain there?
No.
Okay, nice and gentle. Okay, almost. That got a little bit tense in your hip there. Your hip tensed up. Let's try one more time. Let this go. Okay, right side, same thing. Let the hips go, shoulders. Okay, I'm going to sit on your foot here and then adjust your knee. Just let your hip relax. Good. Is that painful?
No.
Yeah. Good. Okay, one more time. Hold your knees together. Hold your knees together tight. Hard. Hold them together.
Like,
Yeah, hold them together. Don't let me pull them apart. Hold.
oh. That's a very uncomfortable, weird one.
That is an uncomfortable, weird one.
I didn't know you could grab that.
Nice deep belly breath. Breathe into your belly here. Belly breath in. Pressure's okay?
Hurts a little. That's very cool. I feel like the whole bottoms of my rib cage are open. Like I can breathe a lot now.
All right, I'm gonna raise the legs up.
Okay.
Let me see your arms. Okay, this is a full spine adjustment.
Oh.
Your arms are good there. All you have to do is keep your teeth together, okay? Alright, your arms are good here. Okay, deep breath in. You can close your eyes. Good, another breath.
Oh.
What cracked?
Everything. It felt like my whole soul come through my body. Everything.
And then let your elbows relax, squeezing. We were high on the left shoulder, so we're going to drop this down just a little bit like this, and your right side was rotated like this. But keep your hips facing forward, just turn your upper body like that. Okay, now look up at the ceiling. You all right?
I think so.
Good range of motion there. Look straight ahead.
It feels good.
Okay.
Fine.
How's your mid back feel?
Painless. I feel like 110% better.